Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay Machinery. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are testing the ridge cap roofing machine. As you can see, this is the example of the ridge cap. It has the half round shape. The ridge cap is usually used to cover the top roof to sealing of the area from dust and rain. The ridge cap is usually made from the galvanized steel or color-coated steel with a thickness of 0.3 to 0.6 millimeter. Let's see more details. Usually the decoiler is the first part of the production line. As you can see, this is the press arm. It can press on the steel coil to prevent it from spraying out to hurt the workers. And before shipment, we will put the outward coil retainer from the steel coil from slipping out from the decoiler, and then the steel coil will go into the guiding part. There are the guiding bars and the guiding rollers. They can maintain alignment between the steel coils and the machines, ensuring straightness and symmetry of the ridge caps. It also includes the rainproof function of the ridge caps. And then the steel coil will go into the roll-forming machine. The roll-forming machine has the wall panel structure and the chain driving system. We use the metal box to cover the chains to protect them from dust, and also it can protect the workers from getting hurt by the chains. This is the encoder from the Japanese brand Coil. The encoder can transform the steel coil length it sends into electrical signal and pass the signal to the PLC control cabinet. On the PLC screen, we can control the cutting length, the production speed, and the quantity per cycle. And it also has a safety device, the emergency stop buttons. This is the stamping machine, also can considering as the punching machine. It can punch in the reinforcement on the surface of the ridge cap, enhance the strength of the ridge caps. And it gets power from the hydraulic station, same like the hydraulic cutting machine. This is the hydraulic cutting machine, and it gets power from the hydraulic stations. With the precise feedback from the encoder, we can control the cutting area within 1 millimeter. And the cutting edge is no burrs, very clean. One production line like this requires about 70 working days. If you're interested in this production line, please feel free to contact us. This is Joey. See you next time.